Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. And I am starting the vlog right after I ended the previous one. And I am very happy. I've had a very productive Sunday. I usually take Sundays very chill, but I've had a very productive weekend. Guess who did their vision board? Finally, I have asked my husband to get the printout, and I am going to be doing that today by any means. Like, at any cost, it needs to be up here, and that is the goal. And yes, I am so happy I put my effort. I woke up at 7:30. I did everything that I was supposed to do, had my breakfast and all of that. So yay for me. And let me just flip one more time and show you what I did. So that is how my vision board is looking like. I know the light is shit. Let me just sit this way. I think this is much better. Let me put you guys on the tripod. Okay, so I did the vision board, and I know a lot of you girlies want to know how to make a vision board. If you don't know already, this will just be a little bit of tip for you guys. Not that I am a great vision board expert, but I've learned a thing or two from past experiences. So it's been 3 years since I've started making vision boards. Last year, I was a complete mess. Like, my vision board did not come to vision or to life. I did make all the document and everything, but I never got it printed, nor did I save it on my phone as a wallpaper. So last year was bad, but the year before it was good. So many of the things did come true. And this year I was sort of deciding not to do, because last year went so bad. I was really demotivated, to be honest, but I was like, no, let me just do it. Let me just manifest things and put it out there. Like, I wanted to be on the wall, and I see it all the time, and I feel motivated, and maybe that will get me motivated, and then I will probably work harder, because I am somebody who likes visual representation of their goals. तो इसीलिए मैं vision board को भी print कराऊंगी and लगाऊंगी. And I want to be really productive this year in terms of my YouTube. I want to do a lot more. So that is the goal. Inshallah, we will achieve it. And that is what it is. And the tip, right? कि कैसे करना है, I would recommend for you guys, either आप phone पे, notepad पे, start making a list of your major goals, like what you are envisioning for 2025. You don't need to have all of it figured out. Start with something like very simple. For me, this year, I wanted to spiritually, and religiously, I wanted to have a spiritual awakening this year. So that was my priority. And I started with something very basic like that. The second goal that I wanted to was work on myself, on my body, so that I feel mentally happy. So I included elements of self care and also working out. I am not looking in terms of a goal for weight loss, because more so I want to be fit than weight loss. Weight loss will eventually happen. So I wanted to start eating healthy. So you can write those couple of points in your notepad. Like, these are very basic. Like, almost everybody has these goals every year. While you're writing, things will start making sense, and then you will add more and more things. Add some of things like, you want to read more books, you want to lose weight, you want to eat healthy, you want to drink water, you want to go to parks a lot and have some picnics and go to cafes. So these could be really basic things, that you could add. Then start adding things that you want to buy this year, like bigger things, like, you want to buy a Huda beauty palette. Add a picture of that. And अगर आपको कोई स्पेसिफिक बैग खरीदनी है, हायर ब्रांड होना ही ज़रूरी नहीं है. इट्स अ a product that you want to buy, and you have to save up to buy it, add certain products like that, and then go on adding things like you want to buy, or maybe you want to travel to a particular destination and things of that sort. And finally, as you start writing, you will start getting thoughts as to what you want to buy, what you want to achieve. And in the midst of all that, add one to two quotes that will kind of boost your morale, and you know motivate you, or what you look for yourself in 2025. If it's something about self-worth, add that. If it's about discipline, add that. And those a little bit quotes in the midst of pictures will give you the moral boost that you need, the motivation that you need. So when your vision board is there, and say you're having a very bad day, you're having a rough day, things are not going well, you are having like an absolute meltdown, even if you are not knowing what to do in the nearby future, seeing a vision board, seeing those one to two quotes that mean something to you, can help you get out of the rut. And if I hadn't made the vision board physical last year, I would have been much better, I felt like. Because the year before that, it was what I did whenever I felt that I am not having the best of the best days. Then I saw the vision board, I saw those few quotes, I saw those few goals, and then I just got myself up, and I was like, okay, let me just work for it. That's how it works. And somehow 70 to 80% of your goals will definitely be achieved. It's all a mental game, and vision board is just a visual representation of all that is there inside. It's just printed outside. So do try that, and I think you guys will love it. If you are somebody like me who likes things to be visible, for them to get motivated and do things, then I would suggest for you to get a calendar like this, a planner or calendar like this. You will easily get it on Amazon. We do have a pharmacy, so a lot of these MRs do give us these sort of stuff like calendars and everything. I have one calendar from, again, the MRs. I don't need to buy this stuff, alhamdulillah, touch wood. So this is how it is. So I have decided that I will write certain tasks which are very very basic, like drink 4 glasses of water. Like I am on a HK Vitals collagen drink thingy, so I will write drink that. And then my medicines, which I take, all my supplements, I will add that. And read namaz, things of that sort. Read 2 pages of Quran. So I will write few things over here that I want to do on a day-to-day basis. And those are like things you would have to do normally, but you just forget it, because it just like, because you're so into the run of things, you're so busy, you're doing 101 things. So things like just drinking 4 glasses of water will skip your mind. And then when you have this right in front of your eyes, because this is the room I sit a lot in, I film here, I am always cleaning, I'm always decluttering, I'm doing things of that sort. So I'm here in this room a lot. So whenever I'm passing around this room, I know my eyes will go onto the vision board, my eyes will go onto something like this, a calendar like this. And I will start doing things. Like, there might be days where I will do everything on the list, there might be days where I will just do one thing, but at least seeing this, if I do one thing, I will feel that I have done something out of the day, and I won't feel like a stupid person like how I felt last year. So I want you guys to have something like this. And what I will try to do is, I will try to sticker this entire thing up, because I don't want the tablet's name to be visible, of course. Let's see how much I keep up, and if I do, I will update it to you guys every month. And let's see how far we get along. So we both are on this journey. You keep me accountable, and I keep you accountable. So let's do it that way. And yes, so this is something that I wanted to show you guys. Actually planning to clean all my brushes, but I might do that for tomorrow, because I have a lot of things I'm already doing today. So I don't want to do a lot of things and get so overwhelmed and do nothing. So I will finish up what I've started. For example, vision board, I've started, I want to end it. I've started doing the kitchen stuff. So I wanted to finish that. I told you guys in the last vlog. दिख रही है ऊपर?
दिख रहा नाम नहीं।
ये रखो पूरा।
लगाना शुरू करो भाई। Vision board for 2025. My vision is only says.
No, we will make your vision.
Yeah, with all your photos.
Saving money. लग गया glue?
Is this photo shoot? Didn't you already get one done
When?
when you were this thing when you were a kid?
So once if we get it done, it's done. Life was over.
Your parents must have taken you, for a photo shoot actually.
It's who? Don't remove my
Red-
secrets here.
Red color this thing.
It's sticking.
It will not stick like that.
No, this glue is not coming properly.
Hang on, that's all.
Okay, give. It's not
It's
sticking.
not going to stick. It will stick.
नहीं तो उसके ऊपर ब्लैक शीट डाल को डालें.
Hello. Amazon delivery वाले ने.
कोट्स भी जो बीच बीच में कोट्स भी डालना.
हाँ तो इतना काट तो देते रहो तुम बहुत ना मालूम लगाने का बॉस हम दिखला कैसे लगाते हो तो
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ.
नहीं उसमें कुछ नहीं है कोट्स होना तुम ना तुम तुझे हेल्प करो तो मैंने छोड़ रहा सो
मैं कोट लगाया हूँ सो तुम्हारे ऊपर. Determination.
ये क्या है इसका ये क्या विजन बोर्ड है स्कर्ट पहनने का
नहीं, wear good clothes.
क्या
Wear good clothes. Dress up.
ड्रेस अप एंड गो वेयर बेब
जन्नत.
ड्रेस अप एंड गो टू फार्मेसी
जन्नत.
हाथ लग गया सब से
हाँ?
हाथ तो तुम्हारी जिंदगी थी सो
Hey, where is the गंदगी बिचो? ये देखो कितने क्लीन ही.
म्यूजिक लगा लो म्यूजिक Why so many self care?
That is the goal of this year.
Huh? Self care.
Yes, goal everybody just do self-care.
Why are you going to the mountains by the way? Sannyasi you are becoming.
Moksha.
Fruit shop खोलने के लिए प्लान कर रही है तू?
Oh wait, next conversation. Business.
ये नरेगा में है नहीं fruit shop तो सिस्टम है तो आधे fruits कुछ खा लेगा. क्या?
तुम्हारा विजन बोर्ड पे खाली बोलती है.
मैं क्या जगह? This is my vision board. पैसा. This is the only that will be my vision board. इसमें से कौन सा काटना सो? पता जगह नहीं है तुम्हारे पास अभी.
वाटर काटो, लिप स्लोली, ये मेकअप का काटो. What is this?
That's my perfection. I gave you a bag, babe. You wanted Marc Jacobs bag. I got you one. Wear it, please. I just showed you how to lift it.
No, it's not good. Baby, wear it. How's it look?
It's looking nice.
Mask.
Nice. Tripod like room camera.
Oh, room decoration. Okay.
वो क्या पूरा हो जा रहा है ऐसे होगा तो अच्छा है आई बिलीव इन योर विजन इज माय ड्रीम्स योर ड्रीम्स आर आल्सो माय ड्रीम्स
क्या बिंगा टिंगा कट करे ना पर
क्या
या
कट नहीं करे वो ये डालिया ना ठीक है इन्हें ऊपर आ सो पच कर लो कट तो बराबर ही छुआ है वो विजन बोर्ड
ये माय विजन बोर्ड इज रेडी